Would you like to make the most out of your participation at Medlab Middle East 2023? We've got you covered. Follow our step-by-step guide for a seamless experience. Make connections with potential buyers. Go paperless and avoid the hassle of business cards. Convert opportunities into deals in real time and on the go. Log into Customer Center on the link provided below. Feed in your credentials sent to you by the Customer Center team. You've logged in successfully. Click on Exhibitor Badges on the Customer Center webpage and select Navigate to GES/Visit to manage badges. Once you're on the Visit Connect platform, click on Team to add more staff members. Click on Add Staff followed by Register Exhibitor. Fill the short form with your staff members' details. Once the short form is filled, you will receive an email prompting you to fill the long form. Click on Finish after you fill the short form. The registration completion email sent to your inbox will prompt you to complete your exhibitor registration now. Please note, you need to complete the long form exhibitor registration in order to receive your badge and log onto the online platform. Fill the log form with the necessary details and you're now officially registered to Medlab Middle East 2023. Log into Customer Center using the credentials sent to you on your email. Please note, this access is reserved for primary contacts only. Go to Event Platform and Lead Generation tab on the Customer Center webpage and click on Your Access to the Online Event Platform. Exhibitor staff can log into the online platform through the link provided in your online access email. Once you're on the online platform, click the Login button present on the top right corner. Enter the email address provided at the time of registration. A magic link will be sent to your registered email address. Search through a list of attendees to expand your network with valuable contacts, conversations, and customers. Use the filtering tools to narrow down your targeted contacts. You can make a connection request to a sponsor or attendee by clicking on their profile. Start with an introductory message about yourself and your organization and how you think you can work together. You can do this by adding your message in the box on the right side of the page. You can easily set up a meeting with a contact on the platform by clicking on their profile and selecting an available time slot. You can choose to meet online or at the show. Once you have confirmed a date and time with your contact, start the meeting by going to their profile and clicking Meeting Call to start the virtual meeting. Set questions to filter through your leads. Select the Questions tab on the Visit Connect platform and click on Add. Set your question type. Options vary from single choice to multiple choice. Don't forget to save it. You can add as many questions as you like. Select the Team tab on the Visit Connect platform. Click the Edit button present on the same row as that of your added staff members. Set the permissions and don't forget to save it. Note, you can even make any of your staff members a primary contact by selecting the Admin Permissions button. Download the app. Once you're on the app homepage, click on the My Digital button to access your badge. Click on the Lead Retrieval button present on the home page of the mobile app to access lead retrieval. Select the Scan Lead button at the bottom of your screen. Allow Visit Connect to access your camera. Scan the QR code on the visitor's badge whom you would like to capture as a lead. When the scan succeeds, your device may vibrate or make a sound depending on your device settings. If the scan fails, you can manually enter the visitor's 15-digit character code in the Enter Code tab. The code is 3 groups of 5 letters printed on the badge. You can review your leads on the home page of the Visit Connect platform. Tap on any one of the leads to see their details, and you can continue to annotate after the visitor has left. You can enter answers to questions that were set up previously, add notes, images, and voice notes for reference. You can view the scanned lead's full name, contact details, and address. You can export your leads by clicking on the button on the top right corner. Enter any email address that you would like to receive your list of leads on. Click on Send Email. For primary contacts only, click on the Leads button on the Visit Connect platform. Click the Export Lead button followed by Download. All your scanned leads will be exported into an Excel sheet for you to review. That's it. Simple and easy steps, and your next big deal may just be a scan away.